Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we unbox and take a look at the Sea Soul Journeys Oracle cards by Pippa, a 48 card deck with Guidebook. Connect with the healing power of the ocean. The Sea Soul Journeys Oracle cards are a gift from the sea to your soul, a breath of fresh ocean air, a moment of peace, connecting you to the magic of the ocean. This retails for $16.99 in the UK and $19.95 here in the US. So it's published by Wellback Publishing, and as always in the description box below I will link where you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to. And whilst you're in there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of the links to my social media as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. All right, let's get into it. I'm really excited. This is a deck that I had pre-ordered for a while. Does the sea call you? Are you soothed by the water's ebb and flow and inspired by its beauty and power? The Sea Soul Journeys Oracle cards are a gift from the ocean to your soul. Created to encourage and support personal reflection and growth, each card is a potent guide to the wisdom of the ocean, a friend and companion to accompany you through life's ever-shifting waters. They offer a pathway to the sea even when you're far away. Explore 48 uplifting ocean qualities using the sea to awaken your intuition. Dive into the card's 4 transformative themes and explore a series of guided sea soul journeys. The accompanying guidebook offers additional reflections, blessings, and mantras and will help you practice meditation, mindfulness, and self-kindness. Let the sea be your guide. Oh, I'm really excited. I hope that this is just packed with compassion and gentleness. Oh, love it. Okay. So, here's the guidebook. And then, oh, cute. So those are the cards already. I am loving the artwork on the back. Oh, it looks like they're different. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself here. Let's take a look at the guidebook and see what's going on. All right, we have the table of contents, so yay. Interesting. So there's 4 themes here. And then the cards. Okay. Introduction. Alrighty. Each card connects you to the wisdom of the ocean and to your own intuition. Dive into the deck's 4 fluid themes and each card's ocean qualities and take yourself on a sea soul journey to cultivate self-compassion, release all that no longer serves you, progress toward your soul's deepest longings, and experience more gratitude and awe. This guide offers reflections, sea soul blessings, and mantras for each card and describes ways to use these for enhanced guidance and contemplation, as well as to help you practice meditation, mindfulness, and self-kindness. Use your cards to gain new perspectives that will empower deeper personal exploration and encourage gentle, positive changes in how you feel and how you navigate life. And we have about her, why the sea. Awesome. Single card readings, 2 card. There's the Sea Soul Journey spread. Developing a regular practice. I just wanted to see if there's any other important ways here. Awesome. So it does go into explaining all of it and then the themes here. So we do have different images, it looks like, for each section. Okay. Let's just take a look at the cards and then we will shuffle and then pull a card to read from the guidebook. So let's see all of the different backs first. So there's the first one. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Oh, a little pier. Walkway. That is stunning, super clear water. And we have a sunset. Oh. And these are tall and skinny. That's the size. And real fast, let's check the card stock. They're on the thinner side. I wouldn't call them paper thin. They are, I'm going to call them matte because there's not much of a glare there. Yeah, not bad. I'm excited to see how they shuffle. For the price point, I'm not mad at it. They aren't numbered, and then they have the little blurb on the bottom. Love it. Oh, that is gorgeous. If you want to pause to read each of the blurbs, you can. Oh, fish. I'm excited to pair this deck with my Mermaid Tarot. Also, the Whispers of the Ocean Oracle would be fantastic with this. Oh, I love. So far, very gentle. I like the size. This would be great for meditation work, a daily pull, journaling. I'm excited to see all of the different themes and activities. I'm going to point out too that the color at the bottom changes with the background on the back. I like that attention to detail. Ooh, yes. Love that. May you be as potent as the ocean. Oof. I love this already. I love the art, the pictures. I love the blurbs. I love the key words there. Stunning. I just want to be right there in the photograph. And you can see right in the background, right there, there's the little lighthouse. Beautiful. All right, we're in another suit here, or a theme. I'll remind you of the back there. Okay, camera focus. It's like, what am I focusing on? Gorgeous. When I was young, like high school age, my dream was to learn how to surf. I was obsessed. Like, I read books from the library on surfing, and like logistically, I knew how to do it. I was that obsessed. And to this day, I still have never been on a surfboard. One day, probably when I'm much too old to be trying it, I will learn. But now I'm just terrified of all the possibilities of things that could go wrong. But that connection of just being able to ride a wave like that, it seems like such a spiritual journey. Something that is so profound. It's just you and nature. I've been snorkeling too, and it's phenomenal. Oh. All right, this is just reminding me that now I need a vacation. Oh, I love that. And the last card here. This is beautiful. So let's see how it shuffles. Yeah, not an issue at all. It snaps back. It's easy to handle and maneuver. Yeah, you can shuffle it this way too. I don't have an issue with it at all. I am digging this for the price point. I, so far, am in love. Okay, can I get a card to read, please? Joy. All right. So here's the reminder. There's the back, the sunset. Joy. May you pursue what lights you up. Beautiful. All right, the only thing that I'm going to say is that each card doesn't have a page in the table of contents, but in the beginning, it does show you the suit here, the 4 themes. So it'll tell you the cards. So it'll tell you which ones are going to be in that section. Then we have joy, so let's keep going. All right, so joy is in the gratitude and awe ocean qualities. Reflection. Whether you find joy in the sea's spacious beauty, in its calls to playfulness, connection, freedom, faith, or belonging, or in the exhilarating vitality of your own survival, the sea reminds you to pursue what lights you up. Blessings. May your pleasure be easy. May your smile be wide and your laughter fulsome. May your happiness cast joyful ripples, great circles of delight that journey far. Oh, and the mantra. My joy casts ripples of dancing light. Oh my gosh, I absolutely adore this. I think the only complaint I have is that each card doesn't have their own table of contents. But as you can see here, there is the back of the card for that particular suit. So you can find that easily. I love the different suit themes. I love that there are many different ways to read each card. And then it does tell you, here's the, where is it? 4 themes. the gratitude and awe. So the back image, a golden sun rises behind distant hills. Oh, so it's a sunrise, not a sunset. The pinks and blue or purple, the pinks and purples of the sky reflected in the sea. Color is lilac. Sea soul journey ocean qualities. So receive, accept, gratitude, alive, joy, play, beauty, free, depth, ease, magic, and awe. Okay, so these are all of the mantras of that particular suit for each card. The ocean scale and beauty awaken our sense of awe and inspire gratitude for all that nature offers us. Gratitude can boost our well-being, self-worth, generosity, and connections to others. Awe can expand our perception of time, lift us away from everyday stress, and help us to take fresh perspective. This theme encourages you to seek out joy and wonder. It calls you to pause and delight in the many gifts to be found around and within you, to follow your bliss. I'm sold. I don't know about you, but I love a deck like this where it can be used in multiple ways. It's in a theme that I instantly connect with. The sea is almost like a second home to me. That feeling, I just adore it. The quality's great. The price point's great. I legitimately don't have anything to complain about. I really do think that this is going to become a great daily deck for me. I plan on using it in a lot of different ways. So now I'm going to turn it over to you. What do you all think about this deck? Have you heard of it before? Did you see it on your radar? Are you excited about it? Is it a hard pass for you? Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. I always love hearing from you guys. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. I can't believe how much we're growing. It's insane. And it's all because of you guys. So thank you again. So with that being said, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.